Me and three guys were setting precast with a crane. Um, it was new to Lamar. The company's never set precast before this particular job. What happened was we were using a squirt boom, a hydraulic crane setting stone, which is precast, and we set a piece of precast down. It was probably about it's usually about 3 foot wide by 8 foot long, and it tucked under a beam, and there's a haunch that was welded on there. Now a guy got in between. It was for a manhole for ductwork. A guy got down on the next floor below, set up a step ladder, and he was cutting that haunch loose while the crane was hooked up to it. I mean, he had his head in a pinch point. None of us were thinking, we're all pretty green. When that haunch broke loose, that weld he cut loose with a torch, it broke loose. That piece of precast swung into the next piece of precast because of the crane. We later figured out the crane was over boomed over the load. You know, the crane that has to be right over the load, the ball, and it swung, crushed his head. Was blind in one eye. Pretty bad experience, bleeding out of his ears and stuff. At that point, I didn't want to do ironwork anymore after that accident.